जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ मु आपणकर से प्रिय सर पप्पू सर आज नहीं कर आउ एक नुआ क्लास जहाँकि क्लास टी अच्छी इंग्राजी ये इंग्राजी क्लास टी आपणकर बहुत इम्पोर्टाट कहीं परीक्षा रे अनेक थर अनेक बार विभिन्न सेंटेंस उपर क्वेश्चन ही आसी था। ठीक अच्छे आज क्लास अच्छी ना टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस कौन अच्छी ना टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस फर्स्ट फॉर नानिबा व्हाट इज सेंटेंस What is sentence? Okay. So sentence means a group of word joined to each other to make a proper sense that is called sentence. Okay, first for what is sentence? Now sentence अर्थ होता है a group of words joined to each other and make a proper sense that is called sentence. जमती मु कहिबी मु भात खाए बा मु कहिबी I am eating rice. I am eating rice. He is going to market. Are you teaching English? All are make a proper sense. I am eating rice means मु भात खाऊँगी. He is going to market अर्थ से बजार जाऊ अच्छी. आर यू टीचिंग इंग्लिश अर्थ तुम्हें इंग्राजी पढ़ाऊ अच्छा कि. ठीक अच्छे ये थिला हमें जानले कौन ना हमें विभिन्न सेंटेंस रो द प्लेस ऑफ वर्ड मेक ए टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस place of words means that is the subject, verb, object, complement, adjunct, auxiliary verb. That is a sum of words. Those words have to help to make a sense on sentence that is called a sentence. Now I am going to discuss the how many type of sentence. First you know the how many type of sentence. The sentences are following four types. First, how many types of sentence? First, पढ़िबा how many type of sentence. Okay? Sentence केते प्रकार. How many types of sentence? सेंटेंस केते प्रकार. फास्ट कौन आसीबो ना डिक्लेरेटिव. कौन आसीबो डिक्लेरेटिव. देन सेकंड कौन आसीबो इंटरगेटिव. थर्ड कौन आसीबो इंपरेटिव. द लास्ट कौन आसीबो एक्सक्लामेटरी. First declarative, then second one interrogative, then third one imperative, the last one exclamatory. First you know that which of the sentence has to stand on the declarative form. क्यों वाक्य गुड़ी को आम कहवा डिक्लेरेटिव फॉर्म. जमती कि मुझे मो नाम माय नेम इज पप्पू. माय नेम इज पप्पू मोर नाम पप्पू अटे ना मुझे कहमी हाँ माय नेम इज पप्पू एमती तो हेनी ना बा कहि मो ना कौन पप्पू कि कौन इंट्रोड्यूस हो कि ना अतएव वेरी सिंपल मु किए ना मो ना हूँ पप्पू मीन्स आई एम पप्पू सर. दैट इज अ डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस मीन द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट. हम व्हाट इज डिक्लेरेटिव. फर्स्ट व्हाट इज डिक्लेरेटिव कौन ना डिक्लेरेटिव अर्थ हूँ फर्स्ट व्हाट इज डिक्लेरेटिव statement but declarative sense. Okay, it makes a statement for express it makes a statement for express express opinion that is known as declarative statement. It makes a statement for express the opinion means किसी कथार आलोचना मीन आम जब किसी कहूचे क्यों स्टेटमेंट कहूचे स्टेटमेंट कौन निर्दिष्ट ओपिनियन को शो करुच्ची दैट इज नोन एज आम डिक्लेरेटिव स्टेटमेंट कहवा ठीक अच्छे जमी मुझे उदाहरण नहीं पारि वी आर गोइंग टू स्कूल दे आर visiting Puri. We are going to market with Tara. Okay. That are all other statement, but all other sentence it stands to as a statement. All other sentence is going to state the statement form means express the something of opinion. Those are the two types means the declarative sentence are following two types. Declarative are following two types. What achi no out achi yes means that is the positive statement. That is a negative statement. Okay. This is a declarative form. The other name is a statement or the name of statement. Okay. In that statements are following two types. One is no means a negative statement and another positive statement. Given the below all the example means we are going to school. They are visiting Puri. We are going to market with Tara. All are known as the some of the example of positive statement. Okay. Now I am going to discuss the negative statement. In that statement is belongs to the declarative form of the statement. Negative means I have no pet dog. I have no pet dog. I do not attend your marriage party. I do not attend your marriage party. He does not accompany with us. The given the three examples are totally based upon a negative statement, and above the three statement are going to stand the positive statement. But all are is a package of the sum of example of declarative form, or it makes a statement for express the opinion. Means that is a very simple. Means it is no asking the questions, no giving the order, no free the strong of emotions. Only have to simple form as just express the opinion, express the sum of opinion to others. That is known as the statement, or that is known as the declarative form. Now I am going to discuss the interrogative form. Okay. Now I am going to discuss interrogative form of types of sentence. Okay. Interrogative form. What is interrogative statement? Okay. The interrogative form. Next I am going to do interrogative form. Interrogative. INTERROGATIVE. Interrogative sentence. Okay. First interrogative sentence कहले कौन बुझ means asking to some question to others. To ask the questions to other, that is interrogative sentence. ठीक अच्छी लिखी दबा. What is interrogative sentence? लेख An interrogative sentence, an interrogative sentence that ask question to other. It usually begin to double edge word or auxiliary word of a sentence that is called interrogative sentence. Okay, now I'm going to discuss after the declarative sentence they have to come the interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Now those sentence that ask the question to others, it usually begins to double edge word or auxiliary words of a sentence that is called interrogative sentence. Means asking some question means तमे कौन स्कूल जाई अच्छ कि जम कहबा व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू स्कूल, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू स्कूल. बाउट नहीं कह रहा व्हाट इज योर नेम, व्हाट इज योर नेम, बा हाउ ओल्ड आर यू. All the example by given the three example are totally going to double edge word. Double edge word means the what and also how. Okay, there are the form of double edge interrogative. Double edge interrogative in interrogative sentence. Now I am going to discuss the some of auxiliary verb have to start in the form of question mark. Now I am going to write some example. The example 2. Are you happy? तमे खुशी अच्छ कि बा कहबा इज ही गोइंग टू स्कूल, से स्कूल जाइछि कि, इज ही गोइंग टू स्कूल. बा लिखि परिबा are they a company with us, but do you help me, do you help me. The given the next four examples are totally based on the yes no interrogative in form. Means the asking the question are you happy means the answer is yes, I am happy, no, I am not happy. Is he going to school? Yes, he is going to school, no, he is not going to school. Are they accompanied with us? Yes, they accompany with us, they are not accompanied with us. Do you help me? Yes, I help you, no, I don't help you. Because all the four examples are totally based on yes or no. Means yes, I help you, no, I don't help you. Because in these two sentences, the answer is yes or no. Means they have the following 1, 2, 3 and 4 examples are totally based on the yes no interrogative. Yes no interrogative in the form of interrogative. Means the declarative are following are two forms. One is the statement means positive statement and another negative statement. But in interrogative form, the following three categories. One is double edge interrogative, then yes no interrogative, then abhyam padiba alternative interrogative. Alternative interrogative. Alternative mean कौन? जब कहबा डू यू नो इंग्लिश और हिंदी मीन्स आम एग्जाम रखिपर Do you like English or Hindi? मीन्स ये दुटा ऑप्शन आसूची तुम्हें आइदर इंग्लिश को पसंद कर और हिंदी को पसंद कर मीन्स दैट इज द अल्टरनेटिव इंटरोगेटिव फॉर्म यस आई लाइक इंग्लिश नो आई डो नॉट लाइक इंग्लिश यस आई लाइक हिंदी नो डोंट आई लाइक हिंदी डू यू ड्रिंक कॉफी और टी डू यू ड्रिंक कॉफी और टी डू यू ड्रिंक कॉफी और टी यस आई लाइक कॉफी नो आई डोंट लाइक कॉफी यस आई लाइक टी नो आई डोंट लाइक टी दैट इज द टोटल एग्जांपल ऑफ interrogative form means what is the interrogative form a interrogative sentence that asks question to others it usually to begins the WH word or auxiliary word of a sentence that is called interrogative sentence how many type of interrogative sentence one is yes no interrogative sentence two WH word interrogative sentence last three number alternative interrogative sentence now I'm going to discuss on the imperative sentence okay now I'm going to discuss on the next the imperative sentence of a imperative sentence okay what is imperative sentence देखो an imperative sentence is one of the types of sentence imperative sentence is one of the type of sentence which is used to place command demand wish please request etc okay what is imperative sentence an imperative sentence is one of the sentence or one of the type of sentence which is used to bless command demand wish request etc ठीक अच्छे तो मन कर मोटे एग्जांपल नबा प्लीज हेल्प मी ओके ये जो प्लीज हेल्प मी मीन्स मते साहाय्य कर प्लीज हेल्प मी एंड हु हेल्प टू यू ना you is mostly help to you is the silent okay in which sentence you cannot find out the subject that is called imperative sentence okay तो प्लीज हेल्प मी एटे मत साहाय्य कर किए ना यू अतः यू हेल्प मी ओके नेक्स्ट कह लेट अस मूव ऑन ओके मीन्स किए चलतु आग को जीवा but let's walk मैं कही पारे open the door but shoot the window all are the mostly example of imperative sentence I like very well in the last but in the end of in the end of imperative sentence, the punctuation mark is mostly used. Which punctuation mark? Now full stop. And the full stop is the punctuation mark which is used at the end of the imperative sentence. Okay. Now going to discussion the next, the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Okay. First of all, what is the exclamatory sentence? Now what? Make a exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence means it express what is exclamation? It express the strong desire, surprise, emotion, etc. That is called exclamatory sentence. Okay. And next time लिखि परिबा the end of the exclamatory sentence. End of the exclamatory sentence is mostly used the punctuation mark. Okay. The end of the exclamatory sentence is mostly used the punctuation mark. In imperative sentence, you mostly use the yes full stop. But in exclamatory sentence, you mostly use the exclaim means the dismay suchaka. Okay, exclaim punctuation mark. Or oh, today is rainy day. Today is very hot. मामे तो कही परिबा what a sharp memory she has got. बा कही परिबा how the beautiful sight it is. Okay, those are the example of exclamatory sentence. तो ये तो थिला पूरा exclamatory sentence. हमें जानिबा केमिति बा व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ exclamatory sentence कोई भी निश्चित तो कोई भी ना. देखो हम पढ़िबा व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ exclamatory sentence. Okay, but all the sentence has to given in declarative form. Then the question is given to you, have to change the exclamatory form. Means मन को अच्छी it is a beautiful picture. It is a beautiful picture. ठीक अच्छी. It is a subject, is a verb, and beautiful picture means object. तो देखो ये पिक्चर कौन अच्छी जो नाउन फॉर्म अच्छी तो नाउन को एक्सप्रेस करछि के ना एडजेक्टिव. ब्यूटीफुल इज द एडजेक्टिव फॉर्म. ओके, तो सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट इन डिक्लेरेटिव फॉर्म सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स द पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट. पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट मु लास्ट क्लास मु आपनकर जस्ट के पूर्व कहितली द डिक्लेरेटिव आर द टू टाइप्स. वन इज पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट and a negative statement. Yes or no? What is positive statement or negative statement? The declarative fall in two forms. One is positive statement and the negative statement. Means the given the subject verb object in declarative form are based in the positive statement. Okay, In exclamatory sentence, have to change in form WH word how and what. How and what, then object, then subject, then verb. Okay, that is the formula of exclamatory. That is the formula of exclamatory. Exclamatory. What is the formula? Now WH word how and what, then object, then subject, and verb. Okay, the given the noun in form, given noun of the sentence. Okay, sentence at a time you mostly used what as exclamatory sentence. जब नाउन थी नाउन को सॉल्व कर से कौन बसवा जो हाउ एंड व्हाट you mostly use the what in form, means that is given the noun in the picture, so you mostly use what. Then आपनकर ऑब्जेक्ट कौन अच्छी a beautiful picture, a beautiful picture. Then subject कौन अच्छी it, then verb अच्छी is. What a beautiful picture it is. That is the example of exclamatory. Okay, now I am going to given some of example another of exclamatory sentence. Okay, जब जब कोई पर भी तो it is very CH put on a very costly necklace. Okay, कौन दिली? She has put on a very costly necklace. Okay, तो necklace is a noun in form, cost is the adjective in form, the put is the verb, she is the subject. Okay, because she has put on very costly necklace at a time. In the form of exclamatory, first you have to use the what in form, because that is the noun also given in that sentence. Means what, then after that what, then object you mostly use a costly necklace, then subject C, then H put. Okay, that is the form of exclamatory. That is the form of exclamatory. Next out example रखी पारिबी कौन रखी मन कर एमती कही पारि आ कौन कही पारि मन कर नेबी मिठी इज ए very wise girl. Corneli na Mithi is a very wise girl, but knowledgeable girl, but talented girl. Okay, excellent girl. Is very excellent girl. Mithi is a very excellent girl. Okay, तो देखो ये girl, girl टा कौन सी noun, excellent कौन सी adjective, तो मिठी is subject, is a verb. Yes or no? That is the form of declarative. That is the form of declarative. But I am going to discuss, have to change the exclamatory form. Means mithi is the subject, is the verb, excellent is the adjective, girl is the noun. At a time, you have to change the exclamatory form. So first you used what? Because I am going to say the girl is the noun in form. So given the noun in the declarative form, at the form of have to change the exclamatory form, you mostly use what. No, otherwise you also use how. Okay, so what, then about a an excellent girl, then mithi is. Okay, that is the some of the example of exclamatory sentence. Now I'm going to discuss have to change declarative to negative, declarative to interrogative, declarative to imperative, negation. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss the some of example. Then parikha ase have to change the negative form. Have to change the negative form. Okay. Means मैं example रखी मन को रखी फास्ट कर रखी 70 kilometers is not far from 70 kilometers is not far from our house. Okay, to your house. तो देखिए 70 kilometers is not far from our house to your house. Okay, that is the form of negative. That is the form of negative means এই প্রকার সেন্টেন্স আমি কোন করিবা সে দেইতো কোন না চেঞ্জ টু ডিক্লারেটিভ ওকে তো কোন হইଯିବ এই যে নট হ্যাভ টু রিপ্লেস মিন্স কোন হইଯିବ না 70 কিলোমিটার ইজ ফার ফ্রম our house to your house. Okay, that is the example of change to declarative form. আমি তো কই পারিবা she does not love her papa. She does not love her papa. কেউ টেন্স ଅଛି না নেগেটিভ বা নেগেশন of simple present কেন ଅଛି simple present ଅଛି কেউ ফর্মুলা ଅଛି দেখো না subject plus auxiliary verb do and does plus not plus v1 plus object. Okay, in the this formula have to given to you, that is the negation of simple present. Okay, but now I'm going to ask, but now I'm going to discuss they have to change the declarative form. Means key declarative na positive statement means আমি কোন কইবা এটা positive statement করিবা সেটা কোন হইଯିବ না she you does not love according to love third person singular she the third person singular so you have to use that does. Okay, so she কোন হইଯିବ she loves her papa যেমন আমি কই পারিবা ইপসিতা likes sweet. Ishita likes sweet. So likes means that a verb. It comes as and es was the why na because now Ishita stands to third person singular. So at the time of a verb is mostly used s and es form. When now the form of simple present. Okay, that is the some of the example of declarative. Have to change the negative form. Now if Sita does not like sweet. Okay, now I'm going to discuss on the change to declarative to interrogative. Now I'm going to discuss the declarative to interrogative. Okay, now the example will be Jitu killed me. Jitu mate mari dela. Okay, the word killed in the form of V2 means konachi na subject plus V2 plus object. That is the simple past. That is the form of simple বা past simple or simple past. Okay, in the form of positive statement, yes or no? But now I'm going to discuss in the form of positive to have to change the interrogative form. Key form na interrogative form. इंटरोगेटिव मीन्स कौन ना आस्किंग सम क्वेश्चन तो आस्किंग सम क्वेश्चन मीन्स मन कर मुझे जीतू किल्ड मी तो फास्ट फॉर कौन बस ना ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब कौन बस ना डिड ना कहीं ना बिकॉज द डू डज इज यूज इन द सिंपल प्रेजेंट डिड इज मोस्टली यूज द सिंपल इन पास्ट तो डिड plus subject plus v1 plus object okay then punctuation mark is mostly used in the form of interrogative in the form of asking questions okay the last class I also discussed the interrogative means the sometime before I also discussed the interrogative how many types the three types one is yes no interrogative then double edge interrogative then alternative interrogative okay double interrogative yes no interrogative alternative interrogative okay so the interrogative option कौन এটা কিসো আছে না that is the only for yes no interrogative yes no interrogative means কোন হবে ইনসটি না ফার্স্ট অক্সিলারি did বসিব did then subject জিতু then verb kill me did জিতু kill me that is the form of interrogative okay next आउ एक एग्जांपल नबा मन कर अच्छी पूजा हैज ए पेट डॉग पूजा हैज ए पेट डॉग ओके ये कौन कही ना चेंज टू नेगेटिव फॉर्म दैट इज ऑल्सो ए डिक्लेरेटिव फॉर्म मीन द पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट ना आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज द नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट तो कौन हम ना पूजा ये कौन सी हैज अच्छी तो हैज नॉट ए पेट डॉग ओके पूजा हैज नॉट ए पेट डॉग तो आम कौन आसो ना अनेक प्रकार क्वेश्चन आसो क्वेश्चन टी कौन रहा चेंज टू डिक्लेरेटिव फॉर्म चेंज टू नेगेटिव फॉर्म चेंज टू आपंकर इंटरोगेटिव फॉर्म चेंज टू डबल इंटरोगेटिव फॉर्म चेंज टू डबल इंटरोगेटिव नेगेशन ओके बट मुझे कही रखा चाहूँगी प्रथम कौन ना एवरीवन हैव टू सिंसियर the find out the which are the subject part which are the verb part and which are the object part okay so you have to easily find out the subject verb object then all our answer have to given very quickly but very suddenly and certainly okay मन कर ना हमर गोटे क्वेश्चन देबी मन कर देबी some honey is left in the pot कौन अच्छी ना सम हनी इज लेफ्ट इन द पॉट ओके तो हनी ये कौन अच्छी ना सब्जेक्ट इज लेफ्ट अच्छी वर्ब इन द पॉट अच्छी ऑब्जेक्ट जदि आम ये जो लेफ्ट मीन्स कौन अच्छी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पैसिव मीन्स पैसिव ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट तो यहाँ कौन हम ना ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्म हम देन सब्जेक्ट फॉर्म हम ओके तो ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब is am and are then upon v3 then by then subject pronoun form okay तो यही सब केस रे मध्य हम कोन नेगेटिव करि परिबा कोन करि परिबा ना some honey is not left in the pot okay नेक्स्ट हमें कोन लिख परिबा ना अनेक पिला को क्वेश्चन आसु सर हमको आउ दे तीन उदाहरण दियंतु जहाँकि आम जमी इजिली चेंज कर नेगेटिव इंटरोगेटिव फॉर्म रे ठीक अच्छे पिले डोंट वरी कहीं आप मन अच्छी सब मन रखिए फर्मूला मैं जमी मुझे कहि आप मन कर मुझे गोटे एग्जाम दूसरी एग्जाम लेकिन सब मैंने आप नेगेटिव इंटरोगेटिव इंटरनेगेशन डबल एज इंटरनेगेशन मुझे सॉल्व करूँ देख मन कर अच्छी राम गोज टू स्कूल कौन अच्छी ना राम गोज टू स्कूल ये क्यों फॉर्म अच्छी ना सब्जेक्ट v1 ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्म अच्छी बताओ कौन करवा ना नेगेटिव फॉर्म करवा तो नेगेटिव कौन ना जेहेतु ये कौन v1 फॉर्म अच्छी मीन सिंपल प्रेजेंट फॉर्म अच्छी कहीं अच्छी ना प्रेजेंट सिंपल फॉर्म अच्छी ओके तो ये कौन हम देख ना सब्जेक्ट प्लस ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब डू एंड डज प्लस नॉट प्लस v1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट तो आंसर कौन हम ना राम does not go to school. That is the negative form. Okay. Next कौन करिबा ना interrogative form. कौन करिबा interrogative form. कौन हबो ना auxiliary verb बस आगे do and does. जेहेतु this is the form of simple present do does, then subject, then V1, then object. तो कौन हबो ठी ना does Ram go to school. Okay. जदि इंटरनेगेशन करिबा इंटरनेगेशन करिया कोन अछि ठीक अछि पिले आपण जो जानचंती ठीक अछि आपण मो कमेंट बॉक्स कमेंट करंतु हला कि तो कोन जदि आंसर जानचो आपण कमेंट करजो करि पारिबे एटा कोन बटी ना ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब कोन बसिबो ना डू एंड डज प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस नॉट प्लस V1 प्लस सब्जेक्ट कोन हिजबो ना डज राम नॉट गो टू स्कूल ठीक अच्छे तो एमती आम डब्ल्यूएच देखिपर डब्ल्यूएच कौन हम डब्ल्यूएच इंटरगेटिव तो कौन हम ना डब्ल्यूएच वर्ड प्लस डू और डज प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस V1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स कौन हम व्हाट डज Ram go to school. Okay. आको मैं डब्ल्यू इंटरनेगेशन करिबा डब्ल्यूएच इंटरगेटिव नेगेशन करि परिबा कोन हो ना डब्ल्यूएच वर्ड ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब कोन बसिबो ना डू डज प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस नॉट प्लस V1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट तो कोन हो ठी Now what does Ram not go to school? ठीक अच्छे पिले ये था आज क्लास आपण मानक संपूर्ण भाव जनइली टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस व्हाट इज टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस बा व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस हाउ मेनी टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस which are these and all I have to categorize some of the example change to the various type of forms of tense. Okay, next class by coming class I am going to discuss the noun in form of the sentence. Okay, which are the noun, how many type of noun, which are the types and name of it and given of some examples. Okay, सब विदाय दिंतु मु आपन प्रिय सर पप्पू आ शुण पिले जदि मो वीडियो भल लगुची बा आप मो वीडियो हृदय स्पर्श होती तो लाइक शेयर और कमेंट करें भूलिए ना। पप्पू सर BS ओडिशा प्लीज जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ।